Our greatest ability is to change ourselves rather than changing the world. Good morning, I am Divya Kataria of Class 11 Humanities of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Gurugram. Today I would like to tell you our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, in accordance with the Know Your Leader program. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi was a hero, a political as well as spiritual leader of India. He brought independence to India according to the weapon of non-violent resistance. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Kathiawar, which is today known as Gujarat, and he died at the age of 78 in the year 1948 on 30th January. He thought that the Indians were being injustice from the Britishers. From then he started massive protests, and there it was the lead of eventually a massive hero for millions of people. Mahatma Gandhi has three qualities which made him a hero, which was his simplicity, his leadership and his bravery. His leadership is shown through his various acts. First, he encouraged the use of hand-spun clothes known as khadi in his area. The usage of khadi not only increased the employment, but it also decreased the poverty in his area. And he ended the issue of discrimination, which was very popular at the time of British rule in India. The especially higher Hindu classes used to discriminate the untouchables, but Gandhiji regarded them as the children of God, Harijans. From this, the Hindus realized that they were treating the untouchables the same way the Britishers were treating them. And his quality of simplicity was shown as he was a barrister, but he did not have even a little bit of arrogance. He led a very simple life and only with necessities. He used to wear khadi clothes. First he was a vegetarian, then he later turned to a fruitarian, and he would go to several bhook hartals where he would not eat anything for many days. He also wrote a book known as My Experiments with Truth, and his bravery was shown through his different acts. He led the civil disobedience movement as well as non-cooperation movement. After returning to India in the year 1915 on 9 January, he did several consequent satyagrahas in the consequent years from 1916 to 1918, such as Khera Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha and Ahmedabad Satyagraha. From there on 1931, 12 March, he started his Dandi Salt March, which got completed on 6 April 1931. From this we can know that Gandhi was so much brave that he was never afraid to be against the Britishers. From this act of only, he spread all the peace in his nature, and from this today we are standing here independent. Thank you.